I just don't want to forget my car seat. I'm going to have to come
Baby, I'm
back
not
for
going
it.
to
Hey, I'm going to get that footage. The footage of him throwing the water on me, Wheeler. So you can either do the right thing or this is going to come back later. I don't know how long it's going to take me to circle back around, but it will. I promise. Wheeler, he battered me with that water, and I really want that to be taken care of. I think he also broke my phone too. That's going to be a big deal for him. That's going to cost a little bit of money. Homeboy ain't even got good teeth. He ain't got money.
Alright everybody, I need everybody to board the bus for me, please. Please board the bus. Need help, sir?
Are you going to check that footage, Wheeler? You said no? There's no such thing as a direct order from a bus driver.
Tell anybody to get off the bus.
Well, we'll see.
Ready?
I surrender.
As a duty-appointed representative of the owner of this property, I hereby warn you that you are trespassing on this property.
I surrender.
As defined by the Nevada.
I surrender. I surrender.
By the Nevada Revised Statute 207.200.
So I want to notify you too. I was battered. The guy, he threw water on me, and I feel like it's on the video camera. So is there a way to check these cameras?
Your subsequent
So
return
look,
to the
what's your name?
After being duty.
Carnate, he's going to have a problem, and you're going to be involved too. So
Immediate arrest for trespass.
the man battered me. The man battered me. The man battered me. Well, I mean, if you're going to arrest me, I'll be arrested. I surrender.
All right, come on.
Am I arrested? Am I arrested? Am I arrested? Am I arrested?
Oh, you gonna do this?
Am I arrested? Am I arrested?
No.
Am I arrested?
No, but we can't detain you.
Well, then if you arrest me, I'll submit. Otherwise, you're going to have to drag me off.
Boss man, I need you to get up.
Am I arrested?
Right now.
Am I arrested? Am I arrested?
Come on.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. Oh, that's yours. Sorry. I didn't know who that was. I'm not resisting.
Bro, get
I'm
up.
not resisting.
Get up.
I'm not resisting. Why are you doing this to me? Am I arrested?
Because you are not getting off the bus on your own.
Why do I have to get off the bus? I'm riding the bus. I didn't create a disturbance.
You're doing everything.
Charge me for the crime if I created a disturbance.
This right here is creating a disturbance.
You drugged me here. I was sitting in a seat.
Okay, let me help you up.
No.
Get off.
Are you going to let me sit in? No. I'm not getting off the bus.
Can you stand up?
No.
Stand up, man.
No.
Come on, man.
No. No.
Really?
Oh my God. This is about to piss me so off.
Well, I hope you don't hurt me.
We're not trying to hurt you. We just want you to get off the coach.
Well, why do I need to get off the coach? I paid for a ride.
Because you are creating a disturbance.
Who said that? Is it on camera?
Yes.
Okay, well then you'll review the camera, I guess.
It's on this one.
Well, then I'm arrested. So just arrest me for whatever you're going to arrest me for, and I'll work that out later.
Once we get you off the coach, we will detain you.
All right.
Did you surrender? Come get off the bus and put your hands behind your back.
You want me to put my hands behind my back?
Come on.
You're going to cuff me here?
Get off the bus.
You're going to cuff me here?
No, you gotta get off the bus.
Well, cuff me here.
Ride, man.
Just cuff me here.
Step over everybody ride, man.
Just cuff me here. Just cuff me here. Just cuff me here. If this was you, I would support you. I don't know why you're being like all crazy, but whatever. Look, I'm kind of afraid, you know, this whole crowd out there is going to attack me, and then you guys, so I want to be in custody. I'm cuffing up. I'm cuffing up. I'm cuffing up. I'm cuffing up. I surrender. Are you arresting me? 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 Do you have your body cams on? Do you have your body cams on? Are you arresting me? Are you arresting me? Are you arresting me? Calm down, man. Are you arresting me? Why are you doing this to me? Get off the bus. Why are you arresting me? Get off the bus, man. Get off the bus, alright? All you gotta do is get off. It's not that serious, man. This guy battered me with water and he didn't even do anything about it. You're not trying to help me. Man, listen to me. Talk to me off the bus, alright? Talk to me off the bus. Where did my camera go? Oh, that's not mine. Talk to me off the bus, alright? Talk to me off the bus. Hey, man. Talk to me off the bus. Calm down. Get off me! Calm down. Get off me! Listen to me. Am I arrested? Get off of me! Calm down. Have a good day, man. Fuck you. Have a good day. Who do I got here? Wheeler and who? Have a good day. Have a good day. How'd you like that? Have a good day, man. Why'd you do that to me? Yeah, dude, I'm complaining about this. I'm gonna get the videos. I'm gonna get everything. You can file a report, what's your name? What's your name? Get your damn hand off me. What's your name? Have a good day. What's your name? Have a good day, man. What is it? Have a good day. Go ahead and report, man. Hey, let me see it. Let me see it. You have a good day. Let me see it. I'm getting on the next bus. Not getting on the next bus. Yeah, I am. Not getting on the next bus. Yeah, I am. Not getting on the next bus. Dude, I'm a disabled veteran. I'm getting on the next bus. You ain't gonna do shit, homeless.